In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy, send, and trade USDT using Trustwallet. Let's dive in and explore these steps together, giving you the confidence you need to handle your cryptocurrency journey. First things first, we're going to start by purchasing some USDT on Binance or any crypto exchange of your choice. Open your preferred web browser, navigate to Binance.com, and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look for the Buy Crypto tab. This is where you'll find various cryptocurrencies available for purchase. Scroll down to select USDT. At this point, you'll need to choose your preferred payment method, whether it's a bank transfer, credit card, or another option offered by Binance. Complete your payment using your chosen method, and shortly after that, you should see your purchased USDT appearing in either your funding or spot wallet on Binance. Patience is key here, as transactions can sometimes take a little time, depending on the method used. Now that you've got your USDT, the next step is to get your Trustwallet USDT deposit address. Open the Trustwallet on your web browser. If you are using the Trustwallet extension, click on it to open. It's important to ensure you're on the right network, the BNB Smart Chain, also known as BEP20, or the Ethereum network. This will depend on the type of USDT you've bought, so choose accordingly. Click on the Receive option, then search for and select USDT from the list of available assets. Here, you'll find your USDT address that you'll use for receiving the funds. Make sure to copy this address accurately to avoid any mistakes. Having acquired the deposit address, let's head back to Binance to transfer your USDT to Trustwallet. Once you're logged into Binance again, go to your wallet and select Withdraw. Choose USDT as the asset you'd like to withdraw. Here, you'll paste the Trustwallet USDT address you copied earlier. Be meticulous with this step. Correctly choose the network you initially bought your USDT on. BEP20 for the BNB Smart Chain or ERC20 for Ethereum. Enter the amount you wish to send and confirm your details. After a few minutes, you should see your USDT reflected in your Trustwallet. Finally, it's time to trade your USDT using a decentralized exchange like PancakeSwap. In your Trustwallet browser extension, click Browser, or you can directly go to PancakeSwap Finance. Connect your Trustwallet to PancakeSwap, ensuring everything is linked correctly. In the Swap tab, you'll set the first field to USDT and then choose any token you wish to acquire, be it BNB, Pepe, or any other supported token. When you're satisfied with your selections, hit Swap and confirm the transaction. And there you have it. You've now successfully bought, sent, and traded USDT using Trustwallet. With these steps, you're well on your way to navigating the exciting world of cryptocurrency.